everyone, welcome back to part 5 of our Math Kangaroo previous year paper discussion. And today we are going to reveal one more question that came in Math Kangaroo examination for grade 7 and 8. And this question is of 5 marks again. So let's reveal the question. Here is the question. What is going to be the value of this part which they have provided us in the question? So to solve this question, we should know the PEMDAS, or you can say the boat mass rule. If you are in Australia or in India, then we usually use boat mass. But if we are in US or Canada, then we usually use PEMDAS rule. So according to the PEMDAS rule, first of all, we have to open the brackets or parentheses. And after that, we will do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever the steps are there. So as first step is to open the parentheses, the brackets. Let's try to open this bracket and this bracket. It's very simple. 22 plus 20 is going to be 42. Divided by 20 minus 22. Now this is of integers, right? And what is going to be the answer? Minus 2. Now, we can simply divide 42 with minus 2 and the answer will be 21. Will it be negative or positive? One thing you have to keep in mind while multiplying and dividing, if we are having negative numbers or positive numbers, both are negative or both are positive, and you are doing division or multiplication using those two numbers, then the overall answer, whatever answer we are getting, it is going to be positive. And whereas if the signs are opposite, one number is negative, one is positive, or one is positive, one is negative, then the answer is going to be negative always. So as here we are doing division and one number is positive and one is negative. Hence, the answer will be in negative format. Minus 21. Where is minus 21? Option number B. So the correct answer is option number B, minus 21. I hope you learned something new today. It was a good question. I wish you all the best for your exam. And if you like this video, do let us know in the comments below with your suggestions, with your feedbacks. And I will meet you soon. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.